Colonel Stan here, once again from southern Missouri. We're going to try another recipe I learned last year. I was down in Arkansas. The woman told me about how she fries catfish using my spice. So we like it when our loyal customers call us and tell us their applications, because every application is a new application. As you can see here, we're now available in the 6.5 and the 30-ounce bottles. And if it's not available in your retail store, see if they can't get a hold of me. We'll make sure it happens. We're heating oil up now here. We're going to fry some catfish real soon. Okay? Stay tuned. Today we're using a mixture of cornmeal. I think a half a cup of cornmeal, and I put a couple tablespoons of my spice in there. And we'll see if we can get the same results that woman in Arkansas gets. She was pretty happy with it. Who doesn't like fried catfish? Once again, I put a half a cup of cornmeal in here and about a couple tablespoons of my spice. Just need to keep up with it. See what's going to happen. I've tried this once before and had wonderful results with it, and I like it. Hopefully you will too. We don't overload it. It draws off too much heat. We all know that. As you can probably figure out, I do a lot of cooking around my house. No, and I'm not for hire. As you can see, our spice is an all-purpose spice. For frying, baking, grilling, our motto this year is just don't forget to use it. Don't forget to use it. We're coming out with a new product this year, a finishing product. I don't have it just yet, but those that have tried it really like it. So keep an eye on the stores where you're able to buy my product, and see if you don't get a chance to try it. We're going to call it the final touch, to be used the last 15 or 20 minutes when your food is on the grill or in the oven. Put a glaze on it and really spiff up the flavor. I've even been tempted to try an egg wash on fish before it's fried. Some like it, some don't. They say it works best with peanut oil. This is just canola oil, just standard canola oil. Like I said, just don't forget to use it. People call us and tell us all kind of different applications for it. We've heard deviled eggs, scrambled eggs, any kind of egg. Popcorn, peanuts. That's right. I didn't believe my ears either when they coughed. So if you have an application that we haven't covered before, give us a call. Don't hesitate. Leave a message. I'll call you back. I call everyone that does call me. We're now in about 19 stores and growing. Looks like we're about to wrap this up. There's a couple of hungry guys here staring at what I'm doing. I don't know if I want to get done. They're going to want to eat.
That's what it's all about.
We all know what frying catfish looks like. That's pretty much going to wrap it up today. But again, if you've purchased our product, thank you very much. If you're thinking about it, visit our website, colonelstans.com. You'll see different applications that people call me with all the time. Different places they use it and like it. And it continues to grow. Continues to grow. Thank you very much. Stay in touch.